Hi, so let's have coffee. And today is, I'm not sure what today is. Wednesday, January 7th. So today I did some realization after my walk yesterday. So pag-usapan natin ano yung realizations ko yesterday. I was busy yesterday choreographing for kids. And ayun, I think the topic of conversation for today's vlog is about choosing what you commit to, what you spend your energy and time with. Kasi very important yun, and you have to know that before, committing to it, spending a lot of energy and time. So, yun ang pag-uusapan natin later. Pero for now, I'm just gonna sit here, enjoy my coffee. Parating na din yung partner ko. Upo din siya dito. So, ayun. Mainit ngayon. Anong oras ba ngayon? Alauna. Kaya ang init. Tapos mainit na kape. So, let's coffee. Kaya dito. Kita ka dito. Ayaw niya magpakita. So, ayun. So, we'll continue the talk later. But yun yung topic of conversation natin. Yung pagpili mo kung ano yung mga bagay-bagay na paglalaanan mo ng panahon at ng oras. Pati na rin ng energy. Everything is important, when you're committing to it, parang oo ka lang ng oo, but you have to sometimes take a step back and realize ano ba talaga yung priority mo. And we'll point it out more while we're walking. For now, I'll enjoy my coffee, so kape tayo. Hi! So for today, we'll be going on our usual afternoon walk. So our topic of the conversation would be yung commitment, kung alin ba talaga ang mas mahalaga, your priorities or your commitments, even if the commitments are hindering your priorities. So we have to evaluate, and we'll do a walk talk for today. So ayun, join me for a walk. I'm not gonna be wearing shoes. I will just be wearing our handy dandy slippers because it's mahangin today, ang windy niya. So most likely, I'm expecting that the waves are also big. So, ayun, mahangin siya. Yan. Mahangin siya, hindi po tayo. Yung mahangin po talaga. Yung ano. So, ayun, it is about 3:30 right now. So, yun. Let's head on and let's get on a walk. Samahan niyo ako. Let's walk. And also, if you're new here, my name is Steven, and this channel is called One Walk at a Time, where we do walk talks and where we do ASMR walk for relaxation. Alright, so come walk with me. Okay, so maglalakad na tayo, palabas na tayo ng bahay. So, ayun. Ito yung mga vlogger na tayo talaga. So, pakita ko sa inyo yung mga people that's here sa amin sa volleyball court. Volleyball sila here. Yan, so, yan ang eksena before tayo umalis. And again, we're wearing slippers. Slippers tayo for today. And then, yeah, this is our starting point. So, ayun. So, we'll continue the talk later when we reach the dagat na doon tayo mag-usap. So, we're walking the usual path. Medyo busy yung road kasi palabas na ang mga estudyante. But, we'll go through it. Maaga ako naglakad ngayon around 3:30 p.m. because, ayun nga, may mga commitments tayo. So, kaya yun yung topic of conversation natin today. So, ituloy natin yung conversation later pag nandun na tayo talaga. So, cut to the dagat na later. Ayun, pinagtitinginan ako ng mga tao, but I guess it's medyo sanay na tayo. So, ayan. Gusto ko lang makita mo na yung view bago yung mukha ko ulit. But yeah, again, remind ko lang the topic is about commitment and priorities. So, we're walking at a different path at the moment. Punta tayo dito sa gilid ng simbahan nila dito sa may barangay Magliba. Um, because I wanted to talk about our topic for today before we go on. So, as I was saying, our topic for today's conversation would be about commitments versus priorities. And with that, I just wanted to kind of give you a context why we're talking about that. Um, we're talking about this topic because of a commitment that I've had that is a little bit, I would say, parang it's hindering my priority because right now I'm looking for a new client. I'm looking for a new job because I'm in between jobs. And I did commit into teaching choreography. Turo ako ng mga bata sumayaw. So, yun yung commitment ko sa kaibigan ko. And while dancing is actually my first love. So, when I was young, when I was a kid, I used to dance. I used to dance a lot. And teaching dancing is also something that I enjoy, especially teaching kids, yung mga bata, because mga bata, ay, madaling turuan. And hindi pa ganun kapasaway. But anyhow, yung mga bagay-bagay kasi it's January right now, and my priority talaga is to land a new client because I've been resting for quite a few months. So since for resting, we don't have any income, and as you know, part of adulting, we have bills to pay, and with bills to pay, we actually need income, and that's actually another thing. Yun yung priority ko to have the most income in the shortest possible amount of time. Now, the commitment that I have gives income. It's just that at the moment kasi for the past 2 days, medyo time-consuming kasi siya. So it required a full day. I wasn't expecting it to require me a full day. And ayun, so parang medyo alam mo yun, hindi na ako nakapag-focus maghanap ng client. I haven't had the chance to submit applications na. So I had to tell my friend um, that I wanted to step back a little bit about it. And yun, kasi nga commitment ko siya, so I can't really back out on that. And because of that, parang ngayon, napaisip ako actually kahapon during my walk. It was a quiet walk. Napaisip ako kahapon kung tutuloy ko pa ba or hindi. So, yun, kwento natin later. So, an update, just as I'm expecting, sobrang lakas po ng hangin dito sa dagat. Kahit medyo maaga-aga pa. So, as you can see, ito yung normal na focal view natin for our walks. Wala pa dyan yung araw. Yung araw nandoon pa. So, pababa pa lang siya. But anyhow, we'll continue the walk talk. We will continue the walk talk. And as I was saying, our topic of conversation was about the commitment and priorities that we have as adults. So, ang hirap magsalita, nahangin ka. Pero, yun, masakit sa mata ng araw. Lakas ng lakas ng hangin. But yes, when it comes to your commitments, syempre commitment mo yun. Dapat meron kang palabra de honor or word of honor, as they call it. So if you commit into something, whatever happens, you should continue with that. No, you should push through with it. But in this situation kasi, para alam mo yun, it's a little bit different than the usual just commitment type of things. So mag-pause muna tayo dito. So, ayan siya. You can see sobrang lakas ng hangin. But yes, let's continue the topic. We'll move on there. Then I'll just cut to it. So, ayan na po siya. Nandito tayo. If you see the stones are wet, kasi nga yan, malakas na malakas na malakas yung alarm. The waves are waving. And this is the dog. Favorite ako niyang aso na yan. Pero sabi ko nga sa inyo, kaya matakot yan sa dog kasi palakahol lang talaga siya. Yan. Ayun, ang lakas ng alon talaga. Yun, nawawala ako tuloy sa topic. Saya marami tayong naliligo dyan sa banda dyan. Ayan o, mabuti na lang talaga. We chose to wear slippers. Kaya kahit basa tayo ng alon, hindi tayo worried. Diba? Yeah. So ayan na, as I was saying, when it comes to your commitment and when it comes to your priorities, alin ba talaga ang mas mahalaga? So in my situation and in my case, I've committed into choreographing the dance because I love ballroom, I love dancing. So that's the dance that we are actually choreographing, my friend and I. Kaso kasi for the first 2 days of the rehearsals with the kids, what happened was we started around 8 a.m. and we finished at around 3. So during those period, during those times, hindi siya gaano hindi naman full day yung pagtuturo. It's just that what's happening is since we arrive at the school ng mga 8 a.m. and we finish at around 3, maraming idle times doon na yung time na yon could have been productive. And yung yung time na yon nasasayangan ako. And since I have other priorities plus the commitment, I was thinking na parang uh, i-give up yung commitment and then focus muna ako dun sa priority ko which is submitting applications and finding new client. But the thing is, nakakommit na ako, nasabi ko na sa friend ko, so ayaw ko mag-back out kasi nga I have word of honor. Now, the thing is, um, I was walking here yesterday thinking about it, whether or not to quit. And funny enough, I think I found a resolution for that. Na instead na um, may mga tao doon sa dulo. Ayan, na instead of quitting or backing out from the commitment, I try to balance it out by strategizing, planning. Kasi yun naman talaga ginagawa ko din sa work. So I strategize, I plan, I execute, and as well, I manage. So with those professional background and professional skill set that I have, I learned to also not just use it for work, but also use it for managing my own time, managing my personal commitments and priorities. So ayun, parang kasama na siya sa buhay-buhay, sa habang buhay, sa buhay-buhay. So that's it. What I did was I thought na instead of committing full time and committing na yung buong aras ko is would go to choreographing is I called my friend, pretty much explained to him, and pretty much naintindihan naman niya because he knows my situation. I've been open about it. I've been open about it with my friends as well. So, two of my best friends actually is involved in this situation. One is a teacher at the school that we're teaching, and then the other one is the choreographer, the main choreographer. So, hindi ko na sila papangalanan. But anyhow, yun nga, they know my situation. I'm pretty open. I'm actually vlogging about it. So yeah, that's proof of concept na talagang open ako sa mga bagay-bagay. So ayun, um, yun talaga yung pinaka-priority ko. Priority is to look for a client, land a client that I like. So hindi yung basta-basta na, alam mo yun, na ay, sige, since there's this opportunity na, sige, grab natin. For me kasi, I'm in this phase in my life where it's not just about work anymore. It's not just about getting work anymore. It's more on uh, getting that fulfilling commitment, getting that fulfilling client. So, ayun, I'm filtering it out. That's why it's taking a little bit of a while because with my skill set, with my experience, and with everything, yung professional background ko, I could have easily gotten work after I lost one. Ganun siya kadali kasi nga may experience na ako. I'm highly competitive. So, ayun, right now hindi yun yung priority ko, hindi yung priority na pinaprioritize ko na makakuha agad ng kapalit. Ang priority ko is something na makukuha ko that would benefit me personally, would benefit me career-wise and professionally, and would also be a long-term commitment for myself and for the client as well. So, ayun. And medyo nakakatakot yung hangin pala ha. Just to interject. Ayan yung hangin. So if you can see, ayun oh, grabe, ang lakas ng hangin, ang lakas ng alon. So, yun. So, going back to what I was saying, na parang, ayun, importante yung commitments natin. Since we committed to it, we have to act on it. But also, our priority needs to also be important. So you have to weigh on things, whether or not to spend more time with your commitment, to spend more time with your priorities, alin ang mas matimbang sa ngayong panahon. So, do that, strategize, plan it, paano mo gagawin. So, how I approached the situation was I talked to my friend, then my friend pretty much understand my situation. So we came up with a compromise instead of me quitting, instead of me leaving him behind doon sa commitment namin ng pagtuturo is what I did was I suggested if I could commit into a lesser of my time and he agreed. So he agreed na hindi ako mag full-time muna for sa pagtuturo and so I can focus on also getting and landing that job that I need. So ayun, that's important, compromise. And if you can't really commit to a full-time gig and if the commitment is not something that you expected, it's better that you communicate it with the person that you committed to and compromise. Compromise is key. Compromise is the way to go. And since, mabait naman yung kaibigan ko, pinayagan naman niya ako. And so I have the time to do the priority. Also, another priority that I have is this, creating content and as well as walking. Walking has been a great part of my daily routine. And I don't want to sacrifice that. I don't want to sacrifice the time that I spend on walking for a commitment. And this is a priority. This is my priority. This is part of my identity as I mentioned. So, yun. Priority ko din siya. Walking, landing a job, and then third would be the commitment, which is choreographing, which is dancing. So, ayun. Ganun lang siya. So, figure it out. And then once you figure it out, then work it out. So, ayun. So, we'll continue walking. Enough of my face. We'll proceed with the walk. Kasi nga, anong oras na din? Alas 4 na rin. So, yeah. I hope you found some learning. I'll continue sharing some tidbits as well while we're walking. So, yeah. Let's continue on walking. Thank you. Yan o, di ba? Taas pa nung araw. Ayan, yung alon. Grabe yung alon, no? Hanggang doon sa dulo. Taas ng alon because of the wind. Para yan, tara na. Let's go na. Mag-walk na tayo para hindi tayo magabihan. Kaya lang naman ako nag-walk ng maaga today is because I was planning on going to, ayun, meron na namang agenda and commitment na naman. Pero ayun nga, I still make time for doing the things that I love, which is walking. So, like, madulas yung mga bato. Yan. So, mag-walking tayo. So, ganun lang siya. this is gonna be sort of like a series ng walk talks and ng ASMR talks, ASMR walks pala. So for ASMR walks, what I normally do is, yun, wala akong iniisip. Well, nag-iisip ako silently. Na-process ko ang mga bagay-bagay, professionally, mentally, and emotionally, yung mga emotions ko, ganyan. So, dito ko siya pinaprocess talaga. Because I'm alone, and I'm alone with my thoughts. So ganito, you have to find an alone time. Alone time is also very important if you're an adult. So, yes. And apart from alone time, uh, it's also important na, alam mo yun, apart from priorities and commitments and alone time, processing, how you process your emotions, how you process your problems, problem solving skills, dyan napapasok. So, yung mga pinagdaanan mo while you're growing up, that's going to be part of it. It's going to be part of how you cope up with things, how you cope up with life, how you deal with things. 'Di ba? Hindi ko alam kung yung audio is clear pa ba. So I think this is also another test of the TNW 837 mic. Mai-plug lang natin. Pero yun, ang lakas talaga ng hangin. Hindi ko well, in-expect ko na kasi malakas ang hangin sa bahay pa lang. So, yan, tingnan natin. Tingnan natin saan tayo aabot. I think aabot naman tayo sa dulo, pero yun nga. Uy, ano yun? May bubog. May bubog. Ano ba yan? Hindi ko nakikita. Daldal ako ng daldal. May ano, shards of glass. Hala, buti hindi natusok yung paa ko. Thank God. Wala lang, na-share ko lang. Okay, let's continue. So, ayun, may bubog. Munti ko na buti na lang talaga yun ako nasugat. Pero yun, ang lakas ng hangin. Ayan, oh. Diba? And another reason bala kung bakit ako nandito ng medyo maaga-aga is because, yun nga, pag maaga, wala pa ganun tao, wala pa ganun distraction, mas madaling mag-vlog, mas madaling magsalita, diba? Kokonti ang nakatingin sa'yo. But I think with how things are going, wala gaanong pupunta sa dagat ngayon kasi sobrang hangin. It's not enjoyable. Well, if you're trying to refresh, I guess this is enjoyable. Yun lang. Okay, baka muna, we'll continue talking there kasi maraming tao. I don't wanna grab attention. So, yes. See you in a bit. Ayan. So, kasalukuyan pa rin tayong hinahangin. Sobrang lakas pa rin ng hangin. But, ayun. Continuing with this walk talk, another thing that I realized yesterday is it is very important that you are intentional when it comes to where you put your energy, your time, and your efforts. So, commitments, priorities, and other things are important in your life. But the thing is it helping you? That's the question. Is it helping you to? Uh, is it helping you to reach your goal? Is it helping you to reach your dreams? Those are the questions. Is it helping you financially, mentally, physically? If any of those questions in-answer nyo ng no, most probably you have to reevaluate which one is more important, more urgent. So, ayun. And yun, it's more so about being intentional, just like what we're doing right now. We're intentionally moving our body, we're intentionally walking, even if we're not really required to do it, even if we're not really required, even if I'm not really required to do this, because I love doing it. I enjoy doing this. I enjoy walking. This has saved me many times more than anyone ever could. So, and this is my way of talking to myself, and this is my way of me being in touch with the universe and with God. So, ayun, maraming realizations. And ngayon nga, sabi ko nga, di ba, my talks and my walks, they're not scripted or anything. So, wala script, kung ano lang yung maisipan natin. But I want this as raw and as authentic as possible, as I've mentioned in the intro. And this walk talk is true to that promise. Yeah. And sobrang lakas talaga ng hangin. Ayan o, sa video, you can't really see or feel the impact. That's that. And hindi ko alam kung may storm or anything, kung meron mang paparating na bagyo. Pero grabe ang lamig ng hangin niya. It's January breeze. It's very cold. Lakas talaga ng hangin. Ay, ate, maraga. That's actually our dialect. It just means that OM, it is so windy. Masyadong mahangin, ganun. So, ayun, di ba? Wala ganun tao. Well, apart from it's Wednesday, I guess, it's also because ganito yung weather situation. Wala naman siya, hindi naman maulan. O, tingnan mo yan, o. Hindi mo siya maulan. The weather is fine, it's just it's so windy. Mahangin talaga. Halos nakapikit na tayo. Sobrang lakas ng hangin. So, ayun na nga. Malapit na tayo sa dulo. Wala na ako gano'ng marinig because my ears are filled with the wind. Lakas ng hangin. Galit po si Amihan. Para sa mga Encantadia fanatics dyan, sa Sangre fanatics. Galit po si Deia at si Amihan. Together. So, ayun, malapit na tayo. 3.08 kilometers na tayo. Malapit na tayo sa dulo, so hindi ko na aabotin pa yung dulong-dulo doon. And then, I will stop the walk talk here, siguro, by the beach, and then tuloy natin mamaya. Parang recap na lang tayo sa Baler later. So, yun. See you guys. So, we're approaching the end of the walk. Kasi sabi ko lang kanina na parang hindi na ako aabot dito, pero since nandito na tayo, iabot na natin, tsaka wala namang gaano tao. Grabe, sobrang lakas talaga. Lakas ng hangin, promise. I'm pretty sure hindi siguro na pick up nung mic natin yung hangin. Pero yun, sobrang lakas. Grabe. Pakita ko sa hair ko. Wait lang. Flip natin yung camera. Ayan, oh. Kita nyo yan. Oh. Diba? Sobrang lakas ng hangin. And, ang galing ko to. Ayan, kita ninyo. Yung lanyard, diba? Na ano niya. Nakataas. Sobrang lakas po ng hangin today. But yes, we're at the end of our walk. We are at 3.89 kilometers kasi kanina nagpaikot-ikot ako doon. So nadagdag yon. But normally, from the bahay to here, it's normally around 3.5 kilometers mula sa bahay hanggang dito. Another 3.5, almost 3.4 kilometers pa uwi. So parang 6.9 kilometers siya daily. But yun, I just wanted to thank you guys for walking with me today. And again, dito ko na siguro gagawin din yung recap just to kind of give you out a recap of what we've talked about. We've talked about the importance of identifying your commitments and your priorities. Yeah, it's about identifying your commitment and your priorities, which are more important, which are more urgent, and you base your decision there where you would want to put your energy, your time, and your effort. Now, if both the commitment and the priority are both important and urgent, then you have to make compromises. You have to make compromises in order to accommodate both. And make sure lang na hindi ninyo in-overextend yung sarili ninyo and you don't um, you don't over-exhaust and over-exert efforts as part of, attending to both. So, importante na dapat may balance pa din. There's always going to be balance when it comes to both the commitment and priorities. Again, weigh it, you know, and then feel it as well. Listen to your gut, and if your gut is telling you to prioritize your priorities, then go for that. And if your gut is telling you to prioritize your commitment, then go for that. The most important thing is that you're not sacrificing anything. You're not sacrificing uh, your goals, your dreams. You're not sacrificing your mentality. You're not sacrificing your physical and your mental health. Most important thing is that when doing both, if you are committing to both, there should be a compromise. Hindi ka dapat spent. You're not supposed to be spent. You're supposed to have remaining energy to do more of the things that you love. So me, my priority right now, as I mentioned, is to land that new client, hopefully a client that is aligned with my goals as well and aspirations for the coming years to come. And as well, walking. This walking journey needs to continue. It needs to inspire more people. So again, thank you so much guys for walking with me. Again, this is Steven and this is One Walk at a Time. Alright, see you tomorrow for another walk. Bye! Alright, so nag-outro na tayo. Last montage na lang ng situation dito sa dagat. Sobrang lakas ng hangin. I should have brought my jacket. But anyhow, again, thank you, thank you, thank you for walking with me today. And I hope you guys enjoyed and I hope you learned something from this content, from this walk talk. So let's head home. Right. So again, thank you so much guys for walking with me today. We're about to go home. So yun lang, walang sawang pasasalamat. I hope you guys enjoyed this and I hope you learned something from this. And yes, let's continue enjoying 2026. Right. Bye. So I was walking back home and then all of a sudden there it is. Glimpse of the sun setting. But just a glimpse because it's so cloudy. Super cloudy. From super cloudy, super windy din. So, yarn siya. Mga bonus clips na lang to siguro sa vlog natin. Wala na yung ano. Wala na. So, ayan.